JELD-WEN is manufacturer of windows and doors for all aspects of business and residential. Here at our facility in Dodson, Louisiana, we're a component plant. We build the decorative skin for an interior door.
I've been with the company since early last year. What I walked into was inadequate. We did not have a good, capable way of managing a department, much less a plant.
We were very basic. Everything was done through Excel. We'd pass out papers in the morning, and that's what you did. We didn't have any structure. Things could be a little bit of a mess. I think everybody here knew we needed change.
We started pursuing a CMMS system, and as we started looking for the needs of the plant, we really decided, hey, it's more than just a maintenance and work order system. That put us on the road to find a system that would also include training, audits, inspections, things like that. That's how we ended up where we are with L2L.
L2L actually helped us come into current times. It's a big thing here to be digital, and it gives me real-time data. I can go and see what they're running on the shift currently. I can see what they ran the last hour. I can go back and look at the last day, and I don't have to dig through mounds of paperwork to find that information and put it together myself. It's there. I love it.
It's an easy interface to work with. I mean, everything gets going faster. Work orders put in faster. Production numbers, you can get them faster. Checklists, daily checks. It's cut down on 90% of the paperwork, and everything's very accessible. It probably saves me personally an hour or two of my time every day. I mean, it's the digital world now.
This software and the capabilities that it has provided us with here is far surpassed any system that I've had the pleasure of working with in the past. This was much faster to deploy and to roll out. We are months, if not years, ahead of where I've been on similar systems in the past with where we are 8 months into the L2L.
So we launched the end of January, and our rolling 4-week average, we're 44% better than we were in January. In the early part of June, we had about 8,000 skins more a week. Now we're around 96,000 skins more a week. Initially, you will underestimate the benefits with L2L.
Before, we were on a team and you had no idea what was on the scoreboard. You were just going through the motions and hoping for the best. Whereas now, we are winning and it's there for everyone to see.
It's just so much better now than it was. As far as the culture, the safety aspect, just general mood of everyone is a lot better. It gave everyone in the plant a voice. I don't want to go back to the way things were before L2L.
When we ran a stack of skins, you had to brush the tips. I'd go home, I couldn't even move my shoulders. Couldn't even pick my arms up. So now it's changed a lot. L2L made my shift, my work, my co-workers, everything better.
The win that we have achieved by implementing L2L here in Dodson has been off the charts for us. I'm very excited about the future with L2L. We know that we've just kind of touched on the tip of the iceberg. I believe we're sitting on a gold mine. I believe that we're going to keep just cranking those numbers and climbing that hill, and we haven't seen anything yet.